Tall fescue grass seed is a cornerstone for cool season lawns in many regions due to its drought tolerance, deep root system, and versatility across sun and shade. For homeowners balancing water use, traffic, and climate variability, selecting the right tall fescue blend can determine establishment speed, disease resistance, and long-term lawn health. In this review, I test and compare 5 tall fescue seed.
List number 1. Jonathan Green 10315 Black Beauty Original Grass. This 100% tall fescue blend emphasizes drought tolerance with deep 4-foot roots and a waxy leaf coating to reduce evaporation. It's marketed as suitable for sunny or shady areas and promises a mid-August to mid-October planting window with a second window in spring. Coverage claims are generous for a 25-pound bag, up to 3,750 square feet for new lawns and up to 7,500 square feet for overseeding, with a germination window of 10 to 14 days. Performance notes. The emphasis on drought tolerance and uniform leaf texture makes this a versatile option for mixed conditions. As 100% tall fescue, it should provide a relatively dense dark green lawn with good tolerance to heat once established. Users should expect the best results in temperatures that allow the seed to germinate quickly over the 10 to 14 day window, and should maintain consistent moisture to achieve uniform turf, especially in the first 2 to 3 weeks. The lack of mixed grass species means fewer variables in performance.
List number 2. Jonathan Green 10303 Black Beauty Founders Reserve. Founders Reserve is pitched as a premium tall fescue mix with multiple advanced tall fescue types, plus a Texas-Kentucky bluegrass hybrid. It highlights moisture retention via deep roots and a waxy leaf coating, and it's described as suitable for both sun and shade with a desire for 6+ hours of sunlight. The 3-pound bag seeds roughly 750 square feet for new lawns, 1,500 square feet overseed, with a germination expectation of 14 to 21 days. It's marketed as pet-friendly and insect disease resistant, which broadens its appeal for busy households. Deeper analysis. The inclusion of bluegrass hybrid elements can yield a slightly denser, more needle-like blade texture and potentially improved recovery from wear in high-traffic areas. The dual promise of drought tolerance and heavy shade adaptability makes it a flexible choice for mixed lawns. However, the 3-pound bag provides a smaller initial coverage footprint and may necessitate additional purchases for larger lawns. The longer germination window, 14 to 21 days, means homeowners should plan for a slower green-up, especially in cooler soils. Care instructions emphasize consistent moisture. Seed 1/4 inch deep and lightly raked to cover.
List number 3. Jonathan Green 10323 Black Beauty Ultra Grass Seed. Black Beauty Ultra is positioned as a rapid establishment mix designed to germinate quickly, 7 to 14 days, and fill bare spots effectively. It includes tall fescues, Kentucky bluegrass, and perennial ryegrass, broadening its genetic diversity for quick recovery and resilience. The 25-pound bag coverage range from 5,000 square feet for new lawns to 10,000 square feet for overseeding, making it a strong option for larger projects. The package stresses moisture retention via deep roots and waxy leaf coating, with full sun to partial shade compatibility. Deeper analysis. The presence of Kentucky bluegrass and perennial ryegrass can enhance early density and tolerance to traffic, but bluegrass may require more management in heat and drought compared with pure tall fescue. The rapid germination window makes this a compelling choice for customers needing a faster green up, though it may demand closer irrigation in the first weeks. Best used in regions with a mix of sun exposure.
List number 4. Pennington, Kentucky 31 Tall Fescue Pen-Coated Grass Seed 3-pound. This is an economical Kentucky 31 Tall Fescue option, sold as a pack of 2 3-pound bags, total 6 pounds, and designed for full sun to light shade. It delivers a lighter green, drought-resistant turf with robust foot traffic tolerance. Coverage claims are 600 square feet per pack, implying 1,200 square feet for the 2-pack setup. The product emphasizes ease of use and quick results, 8 to 21 days, with a practical, price-conscious approach. Deeper analysis, Kentucky 31 is an older, well-established tall fescue line, often recognized for reliability and cost-effectiveness. The 2-pack format is appealing for smaller lawns or patch repairs, though its lighter color may require more fertilizer or overseeding to achieve a uniform, darker green. Expect good initial establishment, but potential long-term performance may lag behind premium blends in drought tolerance and shade adaptability. For budget-driven projects, it offers solid baseline performance.
List number 5. Do It Best Premium Tall Fescue Grass Seed. Baron Brug's Premium Tall Fescue Blend is marketed as a durable, U.S.-made seed with a focus on longevity and performance in full sun to partial shade. The 25-pound bag aligns with typical residential lawn projects and emphasizes resilience and durability with a broad planting window and straightforward watering guidance. Deeper analysis. Baron Brug's premium branding suggests a focus on genetic vigor and robust turf appearance, which often translates into better establishment in diverse soil types, including clay or sandy soils. However, the product description is sparse on specifics like germination times or precise cultivar mix, which makes direct performance comparisons harder. Practically, this option is well suited for homeowners seeking a long-term green, wear-tolerant lawn with manageable maintenance, particularly in sun-drenched areas.